guys, Smoking Bears here. I got something good for you today. I got some pork butts, and I got my man Mikey from Man Meat BBQ. His Fire and Smoke, his catering company, got his Windy City barbecue rub. We're going to try that out on some butts. Let's get into this cook. I have two 8.5 pound butts. So we're just going to rub this down. No binder, no trimming, just straight rub. There we have the Windy City all over the butts except for the bottom because of the fat cap. I don't want to put anything on there, just waste the seasoning for me. So let's get it over here on the drum. I got buck heated up to 250 degrees with some royal oak and some other leftover coals and some cherry wood. Alright guys, let's go ahead and drop them in here. Put one right here. Let's put one right here. Let's go this way. There we go. That way we have room to get all the way around because my handle's here. We'll do that. All right guys, it's been 5 hours since we put this on, and it's been rock steady at about 225. Nice and low and slow. And look at those bad boys right there. Oh, they're gorgeous. Let me get them over here so we can get them wrapped. All right, so I got my 2 layers of foil per. Take this butt, the fat side down, wrap it up. I'm not putting anything in it. No extra juice, no extra nothing. This is just going to be some awesome pork. And then you see the way I laid out my foil, so I can wrap one way and then wrap the other to make sure it's nice and tight. See? So I set it in the middle, come over, do the ends, do the bottom side, and there we go. Get it nice and tight, and then bring up the other side, the other end, same way, and then get it back on the pit. Just like that. And you see a lot more smoke because I had the lid off the whole time, so it's getting more oxygen. My temperature is going to start going. So we'll come back and check it in about probably about 2.5 hours. All right, guys, it has been 9 hours, about 10 minutes shy actually, but I probed them. And they went through. I would have showed you on the pit, but it's dark out. So let's open these up. Oh man. The smell is just awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. So I'm gonna vent these and I'll let them sit in the microwave and rest. Look at that. Okay. So I will put them in the microwave and let them rest, and I'll come back in about an hour or two or whatever. I'll probably go take a nap, and we'll pick it up there. Alright guys, so it's rested for an hour and a half. See, it barked up real nice. I moved it out of the foil pan onto this tray just so I could show you. You know, I'm going to pull a little bit of this off with that bark. See that? Man, that rub's good. You guys see that? Pretty clean bone right there. Go ahead and pull this in here out. Pretty clean too. You know, you can see we shred into it a little bit there. All the juices run out. Man, that's good stuff. It's got a bit of a smoke ring. That's some mighty fine eating right there. Alright, that's smoking bears. That's a long day. About a 9-hour cook, about an hour and a half rest. And now I got to pull it and get it bagged up and ready to go for, you know, this week. So, it's about 1:40 in the morning. So everybody have a great week, and cheers.